Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're tackling the QQQ, the Nasdaq 100 ETF. We will be analyzing price action based on the candlestick charts provided, along with current events to find correlations between the two. Recent news has painted a mixed picture for the Nasdaq. Major U.S. indexes experienced a slight dip on December 10, 2024, as investors awaited key inflation data. There was also a Chinese probe into Nvidia which negatively impacted markets previously. Economists are predicting a slight rise in prices for November. Let's start by examining the overall trend on the daily chart. We can observe a period of consolidation recently, between 350 and 400, but the overall trend seems to be slightly upward. Looking at the last 2 months, we can see a steady increase in the price, with a few minor pullbacks. The price has broken through the previous resistance level, which is around 390, and is continuing its ascent in the last few days. Volume has been generally consistent, suggesting sustained interest in the market. We can now move to the hourly chart for a closer examination of recent price action. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see the recent price movement in more detail. We can see that the upward trend continues to hold. The short-term trend looks bullish. Notice how the price has been consolidating recently, with support around 500 and resistance around 510. This is a prime example of short-term consolidation before a breakout. Note the significant increase in volume in the recent upward movement, supporting the bullish trend. Let's go to the 15-minute chart for an even more detailed look at recent movements. The 15-minute chart provides the most granular view of price fluctuations. Here, we see some minor fluctuations and pullbacks in recent hours, but the overall trend is still showing resilience. We can see the price currently bouncing around the resistance level of 525. This indicates a short-term resistance point, but we will need to see what happens next. To summarize, the QQQ shows a generally bullish trend in the long term, with near-term consolidation and resistance around 525. A break above 525 would strengthen this bullish forecast. However, a drop below 500 could indicate a reversal to the bearish side. In the short term, the upward movement, with the significant increase in volume, is suggesting a bullish trend. We will need to monitor price action around the 525 resistance level for further confirmation of the bullish trend. Keep an eye on the upcoming inflation data. Higher than expected inflation could significantly alter this prediction and might trigger volatility in the markets. Remember to always manage risk and use stop-loss orders to protect your capital.